No one can argue that the human beings like speed. The more faster one goes, the more clear one can feel. Nowadays I'm playing the Forza Horizon 5, the racing games, and in that particular game I used to take cars like the McLaren, the Bugatti. Since the human beings invented the wheel, we can no longer depend on our legs. In this modern era, we be able to develop so much faster cars, the ultra fast bullet train, the ultra fast supersonic jets, and the most interestingly, the hypersonic missiles. But still, there is one thing which is faster than anything else. What is that? That is light. So, can we travel at the speed of light? If yes, then what will happen if we travel at the speed of light? What's up guys, this is Brightson YouTube channel and we are back with another video and another interesting questions for you. We have taken a scientific questions and the question is what will happen if we travel at the speed of light? So there are a lot to know and a lot to discuss, but before we begin, make sure to subscribe our channel and never forget to share it to your friends. If you done it, then let's get started. Literally, you can say that traveling with the speed of light for a human being is impossible. That is because the weight of that person will be double in every second, and for that weight, infinite energy will be required, and infinite energy is like impractical. If a person moving with that speed will experience a slowing down of time, and the vision will change drastically. For that person, the world will appear like a tunnel shaped. Let us try to understand from the beginning, and that is from the Einstein theory of relativity. Before Einstein, the world believed in objects and gravity, which was given by Isaac Newton's way back. But in 20th century, Einstein come into pictures and changed this world forever. This is how. That is by introducing the greatest equations, that is mass energy equivalence, which prove that mass and energy are interconvertible, meaning that a mass can be converted into energy and vice versa. Then comes the theory of relativity, in which he stated that there is no standard frame of reference. Everything is relative, even time also. What does mass energy equivalence mean? It means that if an object moves at a velocity that is 10% of the speed of light, then it would experience an increase of its mass by 0.5% of its original mass. So, if we go on with this particular equation, then if an object travels at the 90% of the speed of light, then its mass would be double. Now the question is, what would happen if we move almost as fast as speed of light? For that person who is at that speed would experience a slowing down of time. For example, if a person traveling at 90% at speed of light, then that person would experience only 10 minutes of time passes. But for a person who is not moving at that speed would experience a 20 minutes of passage of times. So the time will be cut in half. Another interesting thing will happen is that the vision would change drastically. The world will appear like a tunnel shape. At a certain speed, one would experience the darkness of it, because the wavelength of the light entering his eyes would be out of the vision of spectrum. Now, finally we can answer the question. The question was, can we travel at the speed of light? The answer is no. We, the human being, can't survive with that speed. If somehow we survive, that is impossible to keep up with that speed. That is because if the mass will increase exponentially, and time the mass will be like infinity, and therefore infinite energy will be required to move the object, which is impractical. So that's all the consequences will happen if we travel at the speed of light, and we proved that is why is moving at that speed is practically impossible. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please to support us, do give us a like and never forget to share it with your friends. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.